Hi, I got a new butterfly project. This is what it looks like when it's done. I got 5 caterpillars in one set. Then they were bigger caterpillars. They started crawling onto the ceiling and forming chrysalises. And then they hatched into butterflies. Once they're complete, I will release them into the wild so they can be free. I'm going to show you some time-lapse videos of the last 3 caterpillars forming their chrysalises. This is what the butterflies look like. I've never actually held a butterfly before. The legs actually feel way bumpier than I thought. Little hairs that help them stick. Oh, that one's starting to fly. Come here, little guy. Sorry, little guy, but I need to. But you don't fly away.